Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we apply font and effect theme in Microsoft Excel. To do this guys, just select page layout and then here we have themes group. And here we'll have the option fonts and effect. Just click on font and here we'll have lots of options related to the font. To apply guys, you can click on that, or if you just want to preview, then you can place your cursor over and your PC will show the preview. Okay, like suppose if I apply Arial black, then just click on that and this will be applied to the sheet. Okay, remember guys, whatever the changes will make related to these themes in the particular sheet, the same changes will be applied to the remaining sheets also. As you can see here, the font is the same Arial black, and here also. So guys, now let's suppose if you wanna change the effects. So what we will do is we'll click on effect and here you will see if I apply this milk glass, the same changes will apply to that another cell also. Guys, this effect is very minor, not be easily seen. Okay, so that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.